Deliver manufacturer scheduled servicing that keeps vehicles under warranty every time. With logbook servicing on Burson EzyParts, workshops can follow OEM recommended service schedules with confidence, accuracy, and complete control. Quoting those services is simple with quick quotes, a powerful feature inside logbook servicing that turns service details into a professional quote in seconds. Simply select the service interval, and Quick Quotes presents a streamlined list of recommended parts and requirements for that service. Your preferred brand is shown automatically based on your workshop settings, keeping quotes fast and consistent. Add custom items on the fly, such as diagnostics, waste oil levies, or one-off jobs. You can accurately quote oil using MyStock Oil, allowing you to include the bulk oil already held in your workshop, not just bottles off the shelf. And with white-labelled quotes, every quote promotes your workshop brand. Looking to integrate with your workshop management system? You can push parts, pricing, labour times, and OEM job checklists straight through with a single click. It's faster quoting, smarter servicing, giving you total control. You can sign up or add logbook servicing to your existing EzyParts account today by giving us a call on 1800 343 197.